Hello friend, sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. We are continuing with our noun prefixes series. Today we are doing class 2. If you missed class 1 and class 1A, please catch up right here. So if you remember, class 1 was mainly personal nouns. Class 2 is non-personal nouns. So basically it is not people. So class 2's prefixes are and for singular and imi for plural. So let me make some examples for you, and I will also give you definitions of the words, and let's also make some sentences so that you can see how these words fit in a sentence in spoken language. Example number 1 is umuzi, one house. Umuzi. Plural, imizi. Imizi. It's the same principle as in class 1. You see the plural at the beginning of the noun. So, umuzi, one house. Imizi, many houses. Umlilo, one fire. Umlilo. Many fires. Imililo. Imililo. Umkhumbi, one ship. Umkhumbi. Many ships. Imikhumbi. Umuthi, one plant or medicine. Imithi, many plants or medicines. So just a little side note, medicine traditionally comes from plants. So medicine in isiZulu is called umuthi. So if I'm saying I'm looking for cough medicine, I will say umuthi wokukhohlela, cough medicine. So another example is umbuzo, one question. Many questions, imibuzo. Umthandazo, one prayer. Many prayers, imithandazo. Umdanso, one dance or one style of dance. Imidanso, many dances or many styles of dance. Umculo, music. Maybe one type of genre of music or one style of music. Imiculo, many different styles of music. So let's make some sentences with these words. Umuzi wamamkhize mukhulu ingati imall. Umuzi wamamkhize mukhulu ingati imall. Mamkhize's house is so huge, it's like a shopping mall. Umlilo ungadlali ngawo, uyashisa. Fire, don't play with it, it burns. Umdanso engiwuthandayo ivosho. Umdanso engiwuthandayo ivosho. The dance I like is vosho. So you can then insert your own dance there at the end and say umdanso engiwuthandayo I running man, indoda egijimayo. And no, my friend, I cannot do ivosho to save my life, but it does look cute when the kids do it. Imithi ephilisayo itholakala enyangeni. Imithi ephilisayo itholakala enyangeni. Healing medicines are found from a traditional healer. Most nouns in the Zulu language come from verbs. I'm going to make a few examples for you of nouns that are derived from verbs that are in this class. Umshado, a wedding or a marriage. It comes from the verb shada, to marry. Umshado, singular. Imishado, plural. Umshanelo, which means a broom, comes from the verb shanela, to sweep. So umshanelo, one broom. Imishanelo, many brooms. Umdlalo, a game, comes from the word dlala, which means to play. So umdlalo, one game. Imidlalo, many games. Imidlalo yebhola likanobhutshuzwayo, soccer games. Umhlangano, which means a meeting, comes from the verb hlangana, to meet. Umhlangano is one meeting. Imihlangano, many meetings. Umncintiswano, which means a competition, comes from the verb Ncintisana, which means to compete. A single competition is umncintiswano. Many competitions, imincintiswano. Ngiyabonga mngani. Thank you, friend. Ngizokubona kwisifundo esilandelayo. I'll see you at the next lesson. Sala kahle.